Legends! Welcome back to Level Up Awareness. Today we're going to be doing a breathwork affirmation meditation empowerment experience. This is an experience that's about to take place, so I'd just like to suggest to set aside about 10 minutes. Get yourself into a calm, relaxed position. Be with yourself. Now let's take 3 deep breaths right now. Let's calm ourselves down. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to set an affirmation. And what this affirmation is going to do is it's going to program our subconscious mind. It's going to allow ourselves to embody this because we all have everything within us. So this affirmation here is, I am calm and I am strong. I am calm and I am strong. So when you embody these two superpowers right here, calmness and strength, yeah, you're unlimited. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing, is obviously a bit more self-work, all that kind of stuff, but at the same time, you're unlimited. We're all unlimited beings. Anyway, that's one of my other videos. Let's go with this one here. So I am calm and I am strong. And the breath work that we're going to undertake before this meditation, and you can continue it well into the meditation as well if that resonates with you, is alternate nostril breathing. Such a simple technique, yet such a powerful technique. This can bring you from a very fast beta frequency in adrenaline to a calm, relaxed, smooth vibration within a matter of 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. So let's practice some alternate nostril breathing right now. And let's maintain that beautiful, positive affirmation, I am calm and I am strong. And this is going to lead into the empowerment meditation as well. So just go with the flow. Keep alternate nostril breathing for the 10 minutes is a suggestion from me. But see how you go. If you need to just do your own breathing, that's fine as well. But let's start with this right now. All right, a bit of commentary now. So we're going to breathe in through our right nostrils, blocking our left nostrils, or vice versa, and then breathing out our left nostrils, blocking our right nostril. We're going to breathe in that same nostril now, block the other one, and let it out. Close your eyes now. Maintain that powerful breathing technique for a little bit longer. I'd like you to tap into your heart space as well. Feel into your heart. Your heart has thousands and thousands more power than your head, than your mind. Your heart is your most powerful tool in your whole being. Tune into your heart. All of the answers are within. Never need to seek outside of yourself. Go within your heart. And allow balance. Allow balance to do its thing. In any moments of trouble, of confusion, of potential even weakness in any of those moments, focus on your heart. Be in your heart. Be with yourself. And this empowerment meditation here is about purifying our experience. And the more that we purify our experience, the more that we're in our heart. Our heart is actually balanced. And what that means is the ability to say yes and to say no. The ability to be able to make decisions in any given moment from your heart instead of your head. Sometimes these decisions cannot be understood. They just are. Tune into your heart. Be with you. Tune into the evolution and strengthening that's taken place in your experience. Everyone's been going through a recent rapid upgrade. Removal of subconscious programs, limiting beliefs, anything that no longer serves you. It's a lot of letting go. And why did we let go? To create space for energy that's in alignment with your being, with your soul, with your highest vibration. And that's the beauty of letting go, as it creates the opportunity to bring in something that you'd like to bring in. Continue that affirmation. I am calm and I am strong. I am calm and I am strong. So well done. Well done for being you, for continuing to upgrade, to evolve, to strengthen, to grow, to learn, to be your best version. Well done. Being in silence and stillness is an absolute superpower and gift. What you're currently undertaking right now is a gateway to meditation if you're not a big meditator. It's so simple. Sometimes all you need is 5 to 10 minutes to just stop and be with yourself. Do some light breathing, set some affirmations so that you can, if you can't switch your mind off, you can put your mind onto these affirmations and allow yourself to create the experience and the reality that you would like to create. Because we are all so powerful. We can do whatever we want. This experience is a very magical one. So continue to take back your power. Breathe in positivity. Breathe in strength. Breathe in whatever you'd like to breathe into your experience. Now slowly come back to your consciousness, bring yourself back. Continue that affirmation for as long as you'd like. Bring it into your experience if you like. The power of it. 10 minutes straight of having that in your consciousness. Imagine 10 days. If you found this inspiring, empowering, or just feel like there'd be someone that you can share this with, please share this with them. This technique that I've developed right here is very powerful. I feel like it's going to assist many people. So please feel free to share it. We're all a team. But I thank you for being with me with this. I hope this has empowered your experience. I love you all. With an open mind and an open heart, anything is possible. Peace and love to you all.